They do an awesome job. We have campaigns converting on, some cases up to 70%. So they definitely have the skills in hundreds of different niches.
The next few clients that I got, I went ahead and I, used ClicksGeeks and I used Ed and I used their services. And one of my pressure washing clients is already having a record month after 3 weeks of only running a PPC campaign.
Within less than 30 days, I'm talking in roughly like 18 days since we had Ed and ClicksGeek get on this AdWords campaign. We dropped the campaign spend in half, and we've received over 32 conversions so far. Previously, he was spending, twice the amount and just receiving only half as many conversions. This is crazy. So, Ed, you're amazing. I love your team very much.
So if you are looking for somebody to help you out with pay-per-click and want an ease of mind of know that something's going to be done the right way, I encourage you to go ahead and sign up today, and you can thank me later for that.
And I got other things to do and to run my business other than trying to find out how to work this complicated Google system. But these guys know what they're doing, and I trust them 100%. We're going to up our ad spend, and we're getting more leads in here. But I'm just thankful to these guys, and I appreciate all their help. So thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you soon and bigger and better things.
So if you're looking for a team that's really affordable and that does everything for you, so you don't have to worry about the stress of managing an AdWords campaign, Ed Stapleton at ClicksGeek is the one to go to.